Okay, y'all. I have the most massive box this month. It's not a huge order, but it has a big thing in it. Which, stay tuned because I probably should open this before I started recording, but you know, keeps the suspense alive. Stay tuned because I have a very honest review coming. Okay. So, hold on. I gotta unbox this. Okay, be glad I did not do all that unboxing on camera because that took a hot minute. I don't know why I decided I was gonna try to do that on camera. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna start with the number one thing about why my box was so big this month. Okay, so I got Ningxia. The Ningxia Essential Rewards Pack, there's more in there, but it was too heavy to get out, so it's still in there. So there's a Ningxia Essential Rewards Pack, and it's called, I think it's just called the Ningxia. I type in Ningxia Essential Rewards, I'm pretty sure. But it's 4 bottles of Ningxia and 30 of the single packs, which I do prefer the single packs. But I'm about to be real honest, okay? Because every single month, somebody comments on one of my videos and is like, I love how honest you are. So I'm not going to stop now. I'm going to be honest. I tried religiously drinking Ningxia Red and I did not see a difference. Like, I didn't notice a difference. I know that's gonna sound bad. People are gonna be like, you're not even a real Young Living person because everybody that does Young Living is obsessed with Ningxia Red. I'm just not. Like, I just can't. I'm just not into it really. Like, I don't know. I tried. I gave it a really good try. I got it on Black Friday one year, and I did the Ningxia 30-day challenge where I drank it every day for 30 days. People are like, wait till you see the drastic increase in your energy. I just didn't see it. So anyway, you might be asking, well, then why did you buy 4 bottles and 30 packs? Emma Jane's nanny, her daycare lady, the lady who watches her, she goes to an in-home daycare with just one other little girl. But anyway, Miss Paula, the lady that watches her, likes it and she orders it. So this is for her. So let's just go ahead and be up front here. The promos this month were really good. And I happen to have a lot of orders that other people wanted me to order stuff for them on this order. So I spent like $100 or less. And I got the 300 tier promos. It was ideal, okay? Because the Ningxia pack is like $195. So there's that. And then I have one other one for somebody else. So there's the real tea on Ningxia. The Ningxia Zing, like energy drink cans, I do really like those. I just don't I don't drink one every day or anything. So I just have some in my pantry for whenever I want to drink them. And I do like the Ningxia. Like, every once in a while, I'm really craving it. I'll drink it. I have 2 boxes of the like single packs in my pantry, but that'll last forever. I just don't drink it religiously. Don't drink it every day. I don't know. It does have tons of good stuff in it for you, but it's just too expensive for me to really just get on board all the way. So anyway, there's that. Put that back in the box with the other giant bottles. Okay, so moving on. I got some fun things this month, okay? Stay along for the ride. Super Bee was finally back in stock. Last month it was out of stock, but it worked out because I still haven't ran out of my things because somehow I got ahead. I don't even know. But I didn't order my Life 9 this month because somehow I got ahead on that and I didn't need it this month. I still have, it's sitting over here from my last month, my haul that I did last month. I haven't even taken it downstairs yet because I just took my last one today. So perfect. It's basically like I got it in this order, but I didn't. Okay. Super Bee, great for energy. I do notice a difference in my energy with this, not the Ningxia. The Life 9 is the probiotic that I take. Okay, so got that. I replaced, or I needed a new foundation. I've talked about this before, but just another update in case you're new. Young Living did come out with a liquid foundation, but I just really prefer the powder. Don't judge my makeup right now. The mask knee, y'all, is real. Like, my face is breaking out so bad from these masks. I started wearing the disposable ones this week because the cloth ones are like really irritating my skin. Like, I have acne all over my cheeks and I haven't had acne since I was like in high school. So it's annoying. I'm about to start looking into some serious options to get rid of this because it gets on my nerves. But anyway, I really like the powder. Not a dark coverage, or not like a heavy coverage or anything, but it gets the job done, especially when half your face is covered with a mask all day. Who needs full coverage? And I'm just not a full coverage gal anyway, so I prefer the powder. How many times can I say I prefer the powder? Let me see if I can say it again while I'm talking about this. No, but really, anyway, my last one, I don't even know. I felt like it lasted a really long time, but I think that was like during quarantine whenever I never wore makeup or over the summer. The last one I bought like 2 or 3 months ago, I feel like. That one went fast and it's almost gone, so I need another one. Anyway, it is what it is. I love it. Let's see what to do next. My next 2 items I'm really excited about. I'll save all the oils for the end. Okay, so I got the Thieves Fruit and Veggie Spray. Y'all, I'm obsessed with the Thieves Fruit and Veggie Soak. And I love the spray too, but I have a little hack for you. I'm just like really proud of myself for coming up with this hack. I didn't even read it anywhere. I came up with it all by myself. I'm sure I'm not the first one in Young Living history to discover it or to do this, but I felt proud of myself. So I have a bottle of this, the Thieves Fruit and Veggie Spray. And I really use this more than the soak. The soak I only use for like grapes or strawberries or like that kind of fruit or vegetable kind of deal. Celery I did a couple weeks ago. But this I literally use every day. I take an apple to work. I put a lemon in my water every day. So I spray the outside of the lemon, wash it down really good. Lemons, apples, I don't know. I've been using it so much lately, I just keep it on my counters because I use it every single day. But anyway, my first bottle I got like when I started with Young Living like 2.5 years ago. I don't even know how long it's been. 2.5, something like that. And it ran out. And guess what I did? You're going to be so proud of me. I refilled it with the Thieves Fruit and Veggie Soak. Like half of that and half water. Bada boom, bada bang. This is cheap. I don't know why I felt like that was such a good hack, but this is only like $8.50. The Thieves Fruit and Veggie Soak is like a bigger one. It's like this big, and it's, I want to say $20. But it lasts me forever, and especially if you put it in this and do half water, this lasts forever as a refill. So anyway, the only reason why I got a new one was because my other bottle was like getting really dingy. It sat at our old house. Our kitchen had like a window on, and I sat it in the windowsill, and the light like faded it and it looked really ratchet. So I was like, I need a new bottle. I know. First world props. Whatever. But anyway, I love this stuff. I love all the Thieves products. I actually started out with Young Living with the Thieves starter kit. They have their regular like oil starter kit, and then they also have a Thieves kit, which is what I started with because that was what I was the most interested in. So if you have any questions about that, drop your questions below and I can answer them. I love answering questions about Young Living because I love it, obviously. Okay, the next one I'm also super excited about, the Luscious Lemon Foaming Hand Soap. I love this. And our guest bath, our like half bath downstairs, just ran out of soap. Well, actually, it didn't run out of soap. I lied. What happens is I had like the Thieves bottle like this, and I buy like the big refill and just refill it. But the pump was so old, like I'd been refilling it for so long, it just needed to be replaced because it was like not pumping very good anymore, you know? And so I was like, you know what? It's spring. I'll do Luscious Lemon. This came out last April, I believe. It was like right during quarantine whenever everybody needed something to be happy about, and this just really worked. It made us all happy. And so I used this all last spring and I love it. But it's like springy, you know, like I didn't want that in the fall and the winter. I wanted my Christmas spirit and my Thieves. But now, back in action, baby. I actually have it still in my cart for next month because I think I might want to put one in my bathroom, might want to give it as a gift. But anyway, it comes packaged like you saw this. It comes packaged like that so it doesn't spill or whatever. And then the pump comes separately. So I've opened it up. Oh, y'all, it smells even better than like Bath & Body Works Kitchen Lemon. It just smells so freaking fresh and so springy. Y'all, what the heck? Okay, there it goes. I was like, did they send me the wrong pump? I didn't think it was gonna fit. It fits. False alarm. And there you go. Oh my gosh, my guest bath is gonna be so springy. Okay, I meant to look it up before this video. You know what? Hold. I'm gonna look it up and be a good YouTuber. The diffuser blend for this. Okay, I looked it up. The camera's weird. What's happening? Okay, I looked it up. It is, get your pens ready. I wrote it down on a sticky note for you. For the Luscious Lemon Diffuser blend, it's 2 drops ylang ylang, which if you placed a qualifying order last month on ER, you got ylang ylang for free. 2 drops ylang ylang, 2 drops lemon, 2 drops Eucalyptus globus, but I only ever have Eucalyptus Radiata, and so that's what I used, and it smelled the same. 2 drops lemon myrtle, 2 drops spearmint, and 1 drop cinnamon. So 2 ylang ylang, lemon, eucalyptus, anything, lemon myrtle, spearmint, and 1 cinnamon. It's 11 drops, which I normally do 10 in mine just because I'm like an aggressive amount of scent. But if you don't like that many, you can just do 1 of each, I'm sure. It'll turn out fine. But I've done this diffuser blend before, and it does smell exactly like this. I'm sure it's the exact same oils like on the thing on the back. Yeah, it's the same oils on the back. I just couldn't remember the amounts of everything. But that stuff's amazing. If you have all those oils, try it out in your diffuser first so you know what it smells like, so you know if you want to order it or not. All right, so speaking of eucalyptus though, I ordered a Eucalyptus Radiata for my mother-in-law. She had a coworker that told her that she diffuses this every night by her bed while she's sleeping, and it has helped her allergies tremendously. So maybe I should try that because I've been starting to get kind of stuffy lately. But there's 3 eucalyptuses. This is Eucalyptus Radiata. There's Eucalyptus globus, which I don't have, so I don't know. I think that I've heard that they smell pretty similar. But then there's also Eucalyptus blue, which apparently that one smells really different and not like eucalyptus at all. So if you're in the market for a eucalyptus, I have heard to not try the Eucalyptus blue, so I have not bought that. So I can't personally attest, but yeah, that's what I've heard. Now, as far as, okay, I think the last one I bought before I get to freebies is the Kid Scent Sleepy Eyes, which y'all know I get every month for Emma Jane's diffuser. I have been doing Sleepy Eyes and Snifflies mixed together, but this is the first month I'm going to start dropping Snifflies. Of course, as I say, I'm getting congested. I'm going to drop it for Emma Jane. But it seems like, the wintry, sniffly time is kind of over. So I don't think it needs to be in her diffuser every single night. I mean, I can roll it on her feet and spine as needed because I have like a rolly one. But let's see. Okay, so that's everything I bought. So there was actually a 400 tier promo this month, which I did not hit, but I didn't really care about. The 400 tier promo was like a roller ball with some gemstones in it. I got plenty of roller balls, whatever. I didn't care about that one. So I got 300, and I really, truly cannot remember which one was at each of the phases, like each of the tiers. So I'm not even going to pretend like I know. 100 was obviously free shipping. 190, there was 3 again this month, I'm pretty sure. And I'm like, okay, Young Living, let's be honest here. They used to do 1 at 100 and 2 at 190. And I'm like, if you're going to do that, if you're going to do 3 at 190, just go back to doing the 1 free oil at 100 PV and 2 at 190 so that the people that don't want to spend $200 a month can get a free oil. Like, come on. That's not going to break your massive bank, Young Living. So if anybody's listening, start doing the 100 PV oil again. It just makes people happy. Come on, you do a cheap one. Lime, lemon. I don't know. Vitality, something cheap. But anyway, okay, off my soapbox again. I do this every month. I know y'all hate it. Okay, so 190. I was definitely a 15 milliliter of lavender. I'm pretty sure Copaiba was 190. And then one of these was with 190 and one was 250. Clary Sage and Rutavala. So let me talk about these really quick. Obviously, everybody knows lavender is good for like stress and like calming. Copaiba is good for teething babies, which I did use this on Emma Jane when she was teething a lot, like on the outside of her jaw. Sometimes I put it straight, like I drop it on my finger and then rub it on her gums straight up. This also, Miss Paula ordered or wanted some of this recently for her arthritis, joint pain. I haven't followed up with her about that. I need to ask her if it's helped any. But I think it's good for any kind of inflammation. It smells pretty good too. It's kind of woodsy, a little bit more maybe woodsy than cedarwood. I'm not going to open it though because I literally have like 2 opened already. So I'll save that one for a rainy day. Then Clary Sage, I also have some of this opened downstairs. It's not my fave. It smells like kind of like cotton to me. I don't know. This whole thing is like crooked. This is awful. Okay. I think I fixed it. I don't know. Something still feels crooked. Clary sage I think is good for like woman problems. Something about labor, something like that. Woman stuff. That's what clary sage is good for. I don't love the smell of it. Okay, I'm excited to try this, to smell this one, because I want to see if it's, I'm assuming it's the same thing. So this is Rutavala, and I got one time as a freebie the Rutavala roll-on. Y'all, it smells like garbage. So I'm scared to smell this because I have the Rutavala by my bed. I smelled it recently and I was like, eh. But I'm gonna open this up, give it a whiff. Now that I have it able like to diffuse, I might diffuse it with something else and see if maybe that helps. I need to look in our groups, like our oil Facebook groups, and see if there's any suggestions. Y'all, it actually doesn't smell that bad. I'm kind of shook. It doesn't really smell good. So this is a blend. This is not a single oil. Rutavala is lavender, valerian, and rue. And all of those are supposed to be really good for sleep. It smells like lavender with like a hint of like maybe licorice, or I don't know. It really doesn't smell great, but it does not smell as bad as the last time I smelled it. I remember I was like, ugh, what is that? Yikes. Okay, and then the 300s are the ones that I was really excited about. Maybe both of these were 300. I don't know. I can't remember. This this page doesn't say what tiers were what. But I think both of these were 300. One of them's in this little fancy package, I guess, so it doesn't spill. Okay, so holy moly, something. I got a strong whiff of something when I opened it. It can't be the oil though because it's not even opened yet. Let's see. Idaho Grand Fir. Let's see how this bad boy smells. I love Northern Lights Black Spruce. Let's see. It smells fantastic. Very similar to Northern Lights Black Spruce, but maybe a little bit sweeter, I think. I like it. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna go pop that in the diffuser now. It smells kind of Christmassy, but like, I don't know. That's good. I really like that. Okay, and the next one is Blue Cypress. I guess that's like a tree oil too. It smells like minty a little bit. Like a minty tree. Not crazy about this one. I'm sure I'll find a diffuser blend or something, some sort of use for it though. That's what I love about these guys. They just sit on my little oil shelf and they're just there for whenever I need them, you know? They're not bothering anybody over there. There's plenty of room. There's actually not plenty of room. I'm running out of room because I have so many oils. But I've started storing them all over the place. Like, I'm in my office right now. Let me take this off the thing. I'm in my office right now, and here's my little oil shelf in here. Got it on Etsy. I think Chris got it for me for my birthday. But just a little small oil stash. And then here's my... Oh, there's more oils. There's my little diffuser that's in there, and then some random oils or whatever. But yeah, so thanks for watching my March haul. I feel like I got some good new fun things this month. So comment below, let me know if you've tried something or if you're gonna try something because I recommended it, or you know, just comment and tell me whatever. Comments are always fun. Thanks for watching.